What we have here today is a King of Fans Harbor F Series ceiling fan. I don't know the date of this fan. The serial number is kind of weird on this fan. A very unusual fan. One of the only ones I've ever seen. What it is basically is just a Caribbean Breeze knockoff with a wider blade span, obviously, and a little screw end right there. Apparently light adaptable. Basically a normal Caribbean Breeze industrial ceiling fan. I have it on this 3-speed remote right here because I have it just wired into an outlet going into the box. So without further ado, let's show you guys low speed. I acquired this fan sometime a year ago, and if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that this fan was in my back shed until I put it out here so I can circulate more air. Now since it's summertime. Now of course I can get more ranges of speed on this fan if I hooked it up to a solid state control, but due to how it's installed I can't do that at the moment. We got pretty nice low speed, not too fast, not too slow. You feel the slightest of breeze from this fan, air movement. Medium speed. This fan does wobble. That's probably due to the fact that some of the blade screws are not accurate, like correctly into the little mounting screws on the blade brackets. Right here you can definitely start to feel a breeze. I had this fan on earlier on high speed and I could feel the breeze from way over there at my workstation. That's all the way across the garage in the corner. So this fan does kick butt. You can definitely start to feel a breeze from this fan now. In my opinion, this is probably one of the rarest fans I've ever seen. Probably one of the rarest fans overall. Probably one of the only collectors that have one of these. Probably not though. And high speed. This fan is starting to kick butt now. And this thing flies. It circulates air better than any other fan I have right now. It's blowing all over the garbage cans and stuff over here. Shut the fan off. Overall, this is a pretty amazing ceiling fan, in my opinion. The best fan I own. Moves the most air of every fan I have. It's been down not too long. It's not like a Caribbean breeze or Caribbean breeze, however you want to say it. It's type of spin down. It spins down much quicker than the Caribbean breeze. You would think with the metal blades that are longer, probably heavier, spin down be a little bit longer, but beggars can't be choosers. Forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, this fan is pretty much all metal except for the canopy. The canopy is plastic, metal blades, metal pretty much everything. On a J-hug mounting system with a capacitor inside the top canopy. I have to find another screw for the blades right here, if you can't see that. One of the screws fell out while I was trying to take the fan down from the shed back there, so I had to find that screw and put it back in the right spot. This fan did come with a little piece on the bottom part of that, if I can show it to you and keep the spin down on the camera going. Camera, this little piece right here that went on the bottom of that little piece, but it slowed the fan down, because if you put this on there and you screw the little finial cap on there all the way, the fan will not move a bit. And spin down will be over right now. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. I'm going to show you guys what I mean about the little finial cap misuse. So as you see, I got the little plate right here on the fan, and I screwed the finial cap all the way on, which is how you normally should do it, but it won't spin like that. So if you try to push it, as you see, it'll stop slowly. So I have the remote right here. As you can see it, once you hit low speed, the fan won't move. It's not even budging. And that's because it's not powerful enough to move it with that in the way. So the only way you can power low speed is if you twist the finial cap loose. We twist it loose. So it's like tying up. Twist it up a little bit, twist it loose, and then it's running again. Now of course I only untwisted it a little bit, and as you see it's stalling out again. So then you'll probably have to go up here and then untwist it again, and then that's how you get the fan running. So that's the main reason why I don't have it on a fan as it is. Spin along with the fan as well, and it causes a rubbing noise right there. And to tighten it up again, this completely stops the fan, and spin down is obviously going to be short. As you can see right there. Still trying to kick his way up, but it's not powerful enough. Just want to show you guys that.